In this video, we're going to learn a variation of fishbone stitch, which I use regularly in my patterns for leaves and petals. First, push the needle through at the top of the leaf. Make a stitch about halfway down. Start sewing stitches crisscrossing the center line. Continue down the shape, overlapping the stitches. To finish, tie a knot to secure and weave thread under the other stitches before trimming. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Check out my other videos to keep learning.